What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Tim Reviews Everything, guys. If you could subscribe, like, share, comment, do all that stuff, I appreciate all the interaction on this channel. Now, today I'm going to be doing a bike rack. We've had this bike rack for over a year. I purchased it on Amazon for a little over $100. It's only at $115. I looked right before filming this video, so it's not that much higher. A couple bucks higher than what I paid for it. This is it holds 4 bikes. We so far have only put 2 bikes on this at a time, just because every time we go somewhere it's only 2 bikes. I'm going to go outside. We're going to put the bike rack on the car again, so I'm going to show you guys how we put it on the car, and we'll conclude from there. All right, guys, so that's it. One bolt that puts it on. It needs a 19 millimeter. Just bolt it right onto your tow hitch. It's a tow hitch from U-Haul, a little over $200 without electric hook to it. And I'm gonna put this up now. This has this pin with a bolt. You're gonna stick the bolt, or the pin rather, right back here. And this goes through to the other side, and then this is gonna come over here and lock it so the pin doesn't fall out. All right. All right, guys, so the one thing that's nice about this bike rack, like I said, it has 4 slots for 4 different bikes, and you got a hatch. You want to open up your hatch, you just pull the pin out down here. It has the same locking type pin as the top part. Pull it out, and you could lift this down so you can open up your hatch. The first bike is on. You put it in these slots, and now you're going to just put these straps on. So that's what I'm going to do right now. See. Go in through the bottom, and then back through the top. And then you just pull these on, and it's on there. And do the same thing on this side. In through the bottom, and back, if I can get it, out through the top. That's it, guys. There you go. Your bike is not going to go anywhere. And I'm going to put the second one on. All right, guys, so I put the second bike on. I just want to show you guys, I alternate the bikes. You know, it just seems like you fit them in better. You don't have any handles and handlebars. So I want to show you the gap in between. So if you were going to do 4 bikes on here, that is what you have to play with. So it would definitely have to alternate every single one, and it would definitely be a tight fit. So that's it for today, guys. The Allen bike rack, very heavy duty, sturdy material. You know, it got nice little features on there for extra safety with the locking pin. But yeah, guys, nice bike rack, very easy to install within minutes. And you know, that's it, guys. And remember, U-Haul, if you guys don't have a tow hitch on, U-Haul installs that tow hitch for a little under, or I'm sorry, a little over $200. So go get your 2-inch tow hitch, and then you guys can put your bike rack on all day long. That is without power. A little over $200. So check out a U-Haul near you. If you guys need a tow hitch, go get yourself an Allen bike rack and take your bikes wherever you want to go. Guys, that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Have a good one.